Hello guys, welcome in today's video. We are going to talk about grammatical corrections in writing or typing in Microsoft Office Word document. So most of the case we face the issue of grammatical error while we are typing in Microsoft Office Word document or PowerPoint or any Excel. So I am going to show you how you can set auto correction or auto word correction, even sentences correction in any Microsoft Office Word document. So please subscribe to this channel, like this video, hit notification bell so as you get notified when you upload a new video here at No Max TV. So without wasting time, let's get started. So I'm going to open any Microsoft Office Word. So most of persons use Microsoft Office 2016, Microsoft Office 2010, Microsoft Office Word 2007, 2008. So here I am using Microsoft Office Word 365. So I'm going to open this Microsoft Office Word document. You see, this is a new document. So it is a new document here in Microsoft Office Word. So I'm going to click there. You see here at the top left of my document there is a file. There is a file. So you see here below there is options. So I click on the options. After clicking on the options, you see word options. So under word options there is a general, there is a display. So I am going to click on proofing, then click on proofing. So after clicking on proofing, you see I'm going to click on auto correct options here, then I click it. So after clicking on auto correct options, you see there is auto correct format. There is auto correct, there is math auto correct. These are auto corrections of mathematics. It's a collection of mathematical formulas. When you are typing formulas within Microsoft Office Word, it will be collecting automatically based on your choice. So here it is auto format as you type, so it will be formatting itself as you are typing in any Microsoft Office Word document. For instance, you are typing fractions. So when you type slash, so it will be also form itself as a fraction. So here is the autocorrect. It's auto word correct. You are going to set the one you wish. Here, for instance, this is the second one. It is saying that correct two initial capitals. So when you start by two initial capitals, like let me type here, then you see this in Microsoft Office Word. So like this, when I type these initial capitals, you see it is initial capitals. This is a grammatical error in any Microsoft Office Word document, but because I have set to autocorrect the two initial capitals, immediately when I click backspace, it is going to correct those letters. The second one will become the small one. Yes, you see automatically without changing anything, without doing anything, it is correct itself. So here you can set you go back layer, you can come here and choose briefing autocorrect. Then if you don't want to correct some of these, you can choose to untick. So these capitalize names of days, so means every name of the day will be capitalizing the serif. Correct accidental usage of caps lock key. So if you use a caps lock key accidentally, it is going to correct it automatically for itself. So here, show autocorrect options button. Yes, it is going to correct automatically to within your document without going to replace it manually, or without you're going to collect it manually. So this way is very helpful while you are making or typing a wrong document, because it is difficult to navigate around your whole document, for instance, which is about 100 pages document, which is about 115 pages document to correct each word and each sentence. But if you set autocorrect within this document, it will be correcting the serif as you type. Thank you for watching this video. Please like this video, subscribe to this channel, so share this video to your friends to let them know this trick. And if you have any issue or questions or any suggestion, please leave it in the comment section, then we'll be responding to you as possible. Thank you for watching this video.